Political heat is on for the state of Haryana with the upcoming assembly elections. Remember, for Haryana, one is about the alliances, specifically for the India Bloc, Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress, but it's also about individuals here. Meanwhile, the BJP has already released some names as well. After Vinesh Phogat met Rahul Gandhi, sources reveal that Vinesh might contest either from the Charkhi Dadri, which is her home constituency, or she may also fight from the Julana seat, which is the home of her parents-in-law. Meanwhile, Union Minister and former Chief Minister of Haryana, Manohar Lal Khattar, took a jibe at Vinesh Phogat and claimed this shows that the issues that Vinesh was raising, specifically on the streets, they were political in nature, and she just wanted the Congress ticket for elections, is what Khattar has claimed. Sources, meanwhile, say wrestler Bajrang Punia, who's been a contemporary to Vinesh Phogat, has been seen in the protests as well and during the recent celebrations when she had arrived. He may not be given a ticket, but he may be given a post in the organization with some important responsibilities. These are about individuals. What about alliances? Talks are on between Aam Aadmi Party and Congress for a possible alliance against BJP in Haryana and may finalize the seat-sharing talks soon.
पहले भी इनके समझौते हुए हैं और दोनों पार्टियों का जिस प्रकार का शासन प्रक्रिया लूट की राजनीति कांग्रेस पार्टी ने भी की है, आम आदमी पार्टी ने भी की है और दिल्ली में जिस प्रकार से देखा, पंजाब में किस प्रकार से देखा है और हरियाणा प्रदेश में भी कांग्रेस पार्टी ने इस देश में व्यय भूख और भ्रष्टाचार को बढ़ावा देने का काम किया है और लोकतंत्र की परंपरा में गठबंधन करना ये सभी पार्टियों का अपना अधिकार है, वो जो भी करेंगे वो।
देखिए, बीजेपी को हराने के लिए जो भी जरूरी होगा उसको करेंगे। अभी केजरीवाल जी कल आ जाएंगे, उसके बाद में उस पर फाइनल निर्णय होगा कि क्या करना है, लेकिन बीजेपी को हराना बहुत जरूरी है।
सर, कितनी सीटों पर समझौता हो सकता है?
वो अभी कुछ नहीं हो रहा, अभी कुछ जो होगा वो आपके सामने अगर होगा तो।
वेणुगोपाल जी की उनके साथ क्या चर्चा हुई उसका मुझसे अभी अंदाज नहीं है, मगर जो कुछ भी सॉल्यूशन होगा वो बेहतर और सबको स्वीकार्य है, यानी कि उनको भी स्वीकार्य है, अच्छा लगे और अल्टीमेटली द गोल इज के बीजेपी को हराना है, तो इसी प्रकार का सॉल्यूशन ढूंढने का हमारा प्रयास रहेगा।
मेरा पर्सनल व्यू है, इनके साथ जितनी दूरी रखें उतनी ही हमें अच्छी रहेगी। पंजाब में हमने ये बात साबित कर दी, ये 92 से 32 पर आ गए और 32 पर आने के बावजूद इनका जो तौर तरीका है वो आपके सामने भगवान भूला हुआ है और इसीलिए मैं कहता हूं कि आगे हमने इनके साथ हरियाणा में, गुजरात में और दिल्ली में इकट्ठे इनसे अलायंस में इलेक्शन लड़ी और नेट रिजल्ट 0 था। मगर आप पार्टी हाईकमांड क्या इंडिया ब्लॉक को साथ रखना चाहता है, क्या उनकी अपनी सोच है? देखिए, उनकी सोच है ऑल इंडिया लेवल की, हमारी सोच है स्टेट लेवल। मैं अपने हिसाब से बताता हूं कि इनसे जितनी दूरी रखोगे उतना ही अच्छा।
And this, remember, while the BJP has released the first list of candidates, they have announced 8 women faces on it. They have made a caste outreach as well. We are told that about 14 OBC caste groups have found representations. 13 Dalits have found representations from the BJP that has announced these names. Manjeet Sehgal, my colleague, is joining me for the latest in this telecast. Manjeet, good morning. Clearly political heat rising for the state of Haryana in this case. What are you picking up about two specific cases here? One, Aam Aadmi Party and Congress alliance, how do you think that is being seen on the ground? And Vinesh Phogat, the focus on her, whether she'll contest and where she will contest from.
Well, good morning, Pooja. As far as the coalition between the Congress and Aam Aadmi Party is concerned, everything will depend on the seat sharing, whether or not the Congress or the Aam Aadmi Party agrees on seat sharing. Remember, sources telling us that Congress was not willing to give more seats to the Aam Aadmi Party. If the party gives more seats to Aam Aadmi Party, it may result in dissidents in the state units. The party has already received 2,556 applications for the 90 assembly seats. And this is also going to be tough for the party to decide the tickets. Sources say that nearly half of the tickets have already been decided. And leaders are also claiming that so far there is no clarity on the alliance with the Aam Aadmi Party. Even the Haryana Congress in charge has said that they are with the 90 tickets and changes can be made in the last and if the directions are received from the party high command. But Aam Aadmi Party, according to the sources, is demanding 10 tickets and the Congress was not willing to give 3 to 4 tickets. So alliance will depend on the seat sharing agreements. And as far as Vinesh Phogat's foray into the state politics is concerned, many parties tried to sending her feelers after she announced her retirement, but she was already inclined towards the Congress. She has been meeting the Congress leaders, including Rahul Gandhi and other leaders. Besides, she even met the Khad Panchayat leaders and the farmer unions. So it appears that if she's given a ticket, she can be fielded from Charkhi Dadri or Julana. So all eyes are on the Congress Party High Command. There is no list yet, and if the list comes, the source is telling us that it will be clear within a couple of days whether Vinesh Phogat will be contesting the elections or not.
Thank you very much. Manjeet, keep tracking all the latest on that, like you're mentioning, because BJP has announced the names, but Congress and Aam Aadmi Party appear to be already still mulling about what they need to do. But remember, amid all of this, the focus will be on Vinesh Phogat. She was seen all smiles with Bajrang Punia when they met Rahul Gandhi. So the question will be not as much about if the ticket is coming, but where the ticket is going to come from. So here's a special report on how the wrestler is possibly going to be turning into a Neta soon.
From the wrestling ring to the political dangal. A meeting of Olympian wrestler Vinesh Phogat with Congress MP and Lok Sabha leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi has set off big buzz about her poll debut and sent political temperatures soaring. This image was posted by the official handle of the Congress party on X that seems to suggest that wrestlers Vinesh, Bajrang Punia and Rahul Gandhi are together and ready for the Haryana election battle. Sources tell India Today that if Vinesh does join the Congress and decide to contest the assembly polls, she could look at her home turf Charkhi Dadri, her birthplace. The Julana Assembly constituency in Jeend district could also be an option. On the other hand, Bajrang Punia could get a ticket from Badli, where he hails from.
विनेश फोगाट या बजरंग पुनिया का नाम नहीं है, उसके बारे में भी मैं समझ रहा हूं, परसों तक कोई क्लैरिटी हो जाएगी.
If Vinesh does join the Congress, it will be a shot in the arm for the party that is looking to consolidate not just Jat votes, but also capitalize on the anti-incumbency against the BJP. After Vinesh missed the goal at Paris Olympics, Congress's regional satrap and former Haryana Chief Minister Bhupinder Hooda offered her a Rajya Sabha seat.
वक्त की बात है, जो उसका हौसला बढ़ाना है. अब हमारे राज्यसभा के इलेक्शन है, हमारी तो मेजोरिटी नहीं. अगर हमारी मेजोरिटी होती तो मैं उसको राज्यसभा में बनाता. इतना मान सम्मान उसने देश का बढ़ाया और उसका, ताकि खिलाड़ियों का हौसला बढ़े.
Congress had also launched a full-blown attack at the centre amid allegations made by wrestlers against former Wrestling Federation of India chief and BJP MP Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh. Vinesh gives Congress the opportunity to put BJP on the mat on the issue of women's safety and rake up Haryana pride sentiment.
The Congress is hoping to reap the goodwill of the wrestlers to its advantage. It feels that their addition could actually complete the bouquet of formidable candidates that it is going to pitch in the upcoming Haryana elections in a state where sports is a way of life.
On her part, Vinesh hasn't shied away from making political statements. 4 days ago, she met protesting farmers at the Shambhu border.
लोग बैठे हैं, 200 दिन पूरे हो गए. दुख होता है देख के. सभी देश के नागरिक हैं और किसान ही है तो देश को चलाता है ना. इनके बिना तो कुछ भी नहीं है. हम खिलाड़ी भी नहीं है. अगर ये हमें खाना ना दे तो हम भी नहीं कम्पीट कर पाते हैं. देश ऐसे उन्नति नहीं करेगा. अगर हमारे अपने लोग ऐसे सड़कों पे बैठे रहेंगे तो देश को भी नुकसान होता है इस चीज से.
She also met Khad Panchayat leaders at Jeend and Rohtak, where she did declare that there was pressure on her to enter politics. Stage is set for a big political dangal. With Mausami Singh and Manjeet Sehgal, Bureau Report, India Today.